I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with the investment process in PELOTON Interactive, which I've been discussing since IPO, making it available also worldwide, 100% free, with a compelling difference compared to users or customers, where we announced the ultimate button, and you are going to understand today the value of investing in the markets utilizing artificial intelligent algorithms. So you have to refer to this article just as a reference, since you have it here, the upgrade to strong buy. This was more than 10 months ago, so 1 year ago. I upgraded the PELOTON Interactive to strong buy, referring to PELOTON Interactive as one of the best stocks for you to invest in. And while I did it, I also disclosed AI parameter, which is one of the most important that only exists in AI vision. We call it the worst case scenario and the best case scenario for a given stock. So in the case of PELOTON Interactive, I announced to users across all plans that the worst case scenario for PELOTON Interactive to be $19. And that $19 that I announced before the stock plunged down to 19 proved to be the ultimate button in PELOTON Interactive. The proof that we had thousands and thousands of investors then following us, you can see from precisely the performance of the stock then since then, where I passed this information to users across, like I said before, every single plan, AI Premium and so on, you have it here, along with Wall Street. And you also have here profits obtained by subscribers investing in not only PELOTON Interactive and so on. So I decided to create at that time a Skilljet trading course, a very brief course, where you find the ultimate button in PELOTON Interactive, which is worth as of today hundreds of millions of dollars, since PELOTON is today a stock worth $110, which does not constitute a surprise whatsoever. All right. So again, best stocks to invest in 2020, you have it here, PELOTON, okay? Strong buy rating, don't forget, start investing in PELOTON, pretty much like we started investing precisely at the same price, the case of Shopify many years ago, or the case of Paycom software at $40 also many years ago. So these are long-term investment process. If you start investing, or the sooner you start investing, the more money you are going to make. But one thing it is certain, millions of dollars they are going to fall into your bank accounts without you doing anything other than to executing. Having said this, you also have here other stocks where I announced the ultimate button in real time, precisely the same plans where people they didn't pay for this. This was 100% free. The case of ROKU at $59, the ultimate button. The case of Tesla, $350, the ultimate button. All these videos, including complete instructions, they were passed not only to users on the same plans, I'm referring to non-professionals, as then professionals all over the world. Today, ROKU is a stock trading above $200, which again does not constitute a surprise whatsoever. So congratulations to everyone. I believe that again, by referring to another case study and based on factual data, I explained very well the value of investing in the markets utilizing artificial intelligence, in this particular case parameters that they are available in AI vision, worst case scenario, best case scenario, and by doing so also disclosing it to non-professionals very kindly, as I did in fact last year in the case of Tesla, when Morgan Stanley downgraded Tesla to $10 and Citigroup to 40, we were reiterating a strong buy rating on Tesla, making it available worldwide in real time, announcing that the price of $179.70, it was precisely corresponding to the worst case scenario for Tesla, and therefore our upgrade that you have on the blog, the same blog, to strong buy, okay? And everyone knows what happened in the case of Tesla, soaring to 2,665. When in 2020 my colleague announced buying a massive amount of PELOTON shares at $26, so she didn't buy at 19 because she was not here. She explained this on a blog post due to COVID-19 issues. As well as she recommended, for example, to invest in Shopify, and you find the recommendation on the same blog recommending to buy a massive stake in shares of Tesla at $800 bear market prices. Okay, thank you.